she's rotting with you.
Yes.
Swear it, do you? Stay with me. And soil. And secret. You're already falling. Just fall some more.
Don't call me that.
There's no way without me.
The film serves as a harrowing meditation on the fragility of human connection when silence is allowed to fester within a marriage. While the surface narrative presents a supernatural horror story about musicians in isolation, the deeper lesson is about the destructive power of emotional stagnation. The story suggests that when partners refuse to communicate their traumas or desires, they inadvertently create a void that must be filled by something else. In this case, the supernatural elements act as a manifestation of the couple's distance and their inability to confront a shared emptiness. The trap of the title is not merely a physical snare for an animal, but a metaphor for the psychological prisons we build for ourselves when we avoid difficult conversations. It warns the audience that true isolation does not come from living in a remote cabin, but from living with a partner who has become a stranger. Ultimately, the film teaches that we cannot outrun our internal demons by changing our location, because the things we bury will always find a way to resurface and demand to be heard.